Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm always happy seeing everyone come on to get information concerning their lives and whatever they want to do, most especially those who are very curious and they would want to find out on how best to use bad AI. On this case, I'm going to talk about researchers. If you're a researcher out there and you do like to use AI, which is bad AI, I just want to let you know that bad AI is here to sort all your challenges with much more ease. So guys, I want to take you through on how researchers can get a project proposal, or researchers can have their research information much more clear and with much more ease. So let's get running, and I would want to pose a question here and say, great, how can can models identify patterns in core health data, protect breaching events, and guide conservation efforts? And this is for the person who is doing research, and this goes specifically to the researchers and those researchers that would want to have information. So let's dive into it and see how really, if you're a researcher out there and you'd want to get this information from bad AI, my posing question is, can AI models identify patterns in coral health data to predict breaching events and guide conservation efforts? And this is the research we are looking at today. Let's get running and let's get moving and see how best bad AI definitely will give us this information. Guess what? It's less than 10 seconds. The beauty why I love bad AI is that bad AI gives us the information in just less than 10 seconds. In this case, of course, it makes your work much more easier as a researcher. Yes, let's see what it tells us about our question that we posed. Yes, AI models are increasingly being used to identify patterns in coral health data to predict breaching events and guide conservation efforts. Here is how. Data correction, okay? Of course, they have remote sensing, they have in-situ monitoring. We have AI analysis, which is machine learning algorithms. Then we have the deep learning models. Then we go to predicting breaching effects. We have AI models can be used to develop early warning systems for coral breaching, etc. And then we have the guiding conservation efforts. AI can also help in identifying areas that are most vulnerable to breaching or prioritize conservation efforts accordingly. Then here are some specific examples of how AI is being used to help coral reefs. Look at this brief. They are giving you each and everything, and when you go down here, they're giving you the overall. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to improve our understanding of oral health and to develop more effective conservation strategies. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more innovative applications in the field of coral reef conservation. So guys, you see, they are giving you the images as well. They are going ahead and giving you all this, and even here, if you look at this, they are giving you even sites where the references come from. You can see where the data is coming from. Look at this. This is NOAA fisheries. So they are giving you links of where all this data and information is coming from. Let's go back and say, where is this coming from? They are even able to give you this as block. You see, with robots, this is where all this information is coming in if you want to prove all this information where it comes from, with different, references. Look at this as well, the Earth observation. This is also the site where you're given all this information where it comes from. You see, bad AI is able to give you the detailed research information and makes it much more easier for you as a researcher to get all this information that you rightly need within, as I said, within 10 seconds, guys. Can you imagine? I've got this information in 10 seconds without going through many search engines. Bad AI is able to give you all this information as a researcher. So if you're a researcher out there, let's get to bad AI and let's make bad AI as our great partner in making our work much more easier and simplified in anything that we need to do. So guys, let's get on board. Keep doing, keep moving, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this information is very vital for you, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel as we continue to get to understand how best to use bad AI. So thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure, and keep you watching. Thank you.